for the Vuze XR. So I'm doing a test and seeing just how well this thing is going to perform by going from my office to different parts of the house. It's got different light settings. Hope the mic sounds all right. I want to check the stabilization. Then I'm going to step outside and go check the mail, because that changes the light too. So let's just see how this all works out. I've been playing with the beta version of this, and it's been pretty fine on the beta. It was much improved over the previous version of the mobile app for Android, because quite frankly, the Android version was lacking. And the dev team, they knew it, owned up to it, stepped their game up, and so far, this is much better. So we're gonna check this here mail. No mail. Actually, I think I checked the mail earlier today, so that's probably why there's no mail in there. It is bright out here, so that's another good test to see how the auto exposure works and handles the different light changes. I can't see crap. I hope the audio sounds fair, at the very least. I don't expect much from the mics on these cameras, but I'm more concerned about this thing filming at 4K, 30 frames per second, and being really, really smooth on the editing flow. So that's that. That's Kylo behind me as usual. And we're gonna head on back up to the office. I am not doing an active job of trying to hold this thing steady. Just trying to see how it will all work out. And I'm gonna sit. And I'm just gonna sit the camera right over here. So that's that. Hopefully this turned out all right. Thanks for watching.